CNC plasma cutter slices steel rails precisely. Steel beams are unloaded for chassis assembly. Robotic arms position chassis rails on laser guides. Robotic arms position chassis rails on laser guides. Cross members slide into place for upper frame. Hydraulic clamps secure the chassis structure. Robotic welders trace chassis seams in slow motion. Technicians apply structural adhesive along joints. Suspension brackets are bolted underneath. Laser system scans chassis geometry precisely. Robots install reinforced lower deck panels. Primer-coated panels move on automated racks. Vertical pillars are lowered for double-deck structure. Axles slide smoothly under chassis. Robots align large side panels onto frame. Engine components arrive silently on conveyor. Engine components arrive silently on conveyor. Technicians assemble engine block with precision. Transmission slides beneath chassis smoothly. Drivetrain shaft locks with exact precision. Cooling pipes and radiators routed carefully. Suspension struts mounted under chassis. Drivetrain shaft locks with exact precision. Brake calipers and discs installed precisely. Laser guides check axle geometry. Bus body moves into pre-paint bay. Robotic arms spray primer coat evenly. Robots apply seam sealant along joints. Robotic sanding refines exterior surfaces. Bus shell enters pre-treatment wash tunnel. Air systems dry bus shell thoroughly.
Primer layer hardens under heat lamps.
Multiple red layers build color depth. Glass-like clear coat seals exterior finish. Body shines under curing ovens. Robotic polishing pads glide across surface. Robots scan body for any imperfections. Wheel hubs prepared for assembly. Alloy wheels bolted into place. Engine and drivetrain tested silently. Sensors confirm alignment and performance. Technicians fill coolant, brake fluid, and lubricants. Bus wheels rotate on rolling platform for smoothness check. Core mechanical assembly and paint prep complete. Technicians mount dashboard framework precisely. Electrical harnesses routed carefully along chassis. Steering wheel and control panels secured. Passenger seats bolted in perfect alignment. Handrails and stair supports secured firmly. Glass panels lifted into precise position. Doors mounted and hinge operation tested. Exterior trims and badges aligned perfectly. Wheels polished and mounted securely. Brake system calibrated and tested.
Coolant and hydraulic levels double checked.
Engine started quietly for system check. Electronic systems scanned for performance.
Robotic pads polish the glossy red surface.
Camera robots scan for imperfections. Interior surfaces wiped and checked. Lights and displays activated for final check. Technicians walk around checking all exterior systems. Camera pans across glossy red NB4L body. Completed bus positioned for cinematic reveal. Chrome trim, badges, and wheel details inspected.
All right, team, systems check complete. Let's move them out. Copy that. Rolling unit 1 forward now.
Looking good from the side, proceed to bay 2.
Understood. Moving to bay 2. All right, team, commence final inspections. Bodywork is clear. Interiors are next. Roger. Moving to the next vehicle. All systems check. Ready for rollout.
Bus ready for London City road trials. Double-decker glides fast with perfect balance. L accelerates powerfully across London Bridge. Double-decker glides fast with perfect balance. London corridor.